teaching is outdated. So you no longer teach, you provide students opportunities to learn. And so our role is not to teach. Teaching is, here's the textbook, here's the knowledge, this is how you acquire it. Learning is, here's a problem, here are some tools and here's some information. You go off and work it out for yourself. Hi, I'm Simon Reid. I'm an academic at the School of Public Health with a special interest in infectious diseases, particularly zoonotic diseases that spread from animals to humans. I think what I love most about teaching is taking a topic, so taking a course, but also sort of taking an outcome. So looking at what I would want the students to be able to do and what I want them to know by the end of a semester, and really work backwards from that to try and construct a series of activities that engage them and move them towards that sort of outcome of understanding that I want. I think what's uniquely human about the way students learn with me is it's the natural inquisitiveness, trying to exploit the natural inquisitiveness that people have for knowledge. What I see in engaged students is a desire to sort of understand. Our programs really are there to equip them to get a job and to make a contribution to the field, to their profession and to the lives of others. And so I like to think of our programs as focusing on their careers, not focusing on our degree programs. Something I hope my students, or I hope our students, take away is, I guess, a quest for answers and a quest for knowledge. It sounds corny, but that desire to understand, I think, is really, really important. If we deeply understand the problems we face, it's much easier to see the solutions. And the solutions are never going to be straightforward, not in the future, because we are not dealing with simple problems. So I have one hero from a professional point of view, and that was the person who was my PhD supervisor. He was really a hero because of his generosity of spirit and his professional generosity. He was the most professionally generous person I've ever known. He was also one of these people who had the ability to see everybody as equal, regardless of who they were. And I think that's what I personally aspire to.